Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Chennai Super Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders. While Chennai Super Kings is already out of the playoffs, they would be looking to end the tournament on winning ways, while KKR will be looking to solidify their position in the top 4. The two teams have met 22 times in IPL before, with Chennai Super Kings winning 13 of those encounters. Here is how the Fantasy 11 for this match looks like. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. MS Dhoni is a living legend. Even after having retired from international cricket, the best finisher of the game has been striking the ball a long way. His issue with the heat in his previous games could be an indication for some trouble for Chennai, but he has strived to take his team home every single time he has come to bat in the past. If given a chance, he can always turn matches around in just a matter of few overs. This makes him our first pick. Shubman Gill. Ever since Shubman Gill has started opening for Kolkata Knight Riders, his potential has been seen with the bat. He has evolved into a key player for Kolkata this season and he averages of just over 34 as an opener. Kolkata will be expecting him to make use of his starts that he has got so far and play some massive innings this match. He thus makes our second pick. Nitish Rana. Nitish Rana has been one of the most consistent players for Kolkata Knight Riders for a while now. He would be looking to create a massive impact on this game as he failed to do so this season. He's striking at almost 140 this season and he will be a player to watch out for. He is thus our third pick. Ruturaj Gaikwad. Ruturaj Gaikwad has finally seen a glimpse of good form this season. He played a sublime knock at the top of the order against Royal Challengers Bangalore, showing what he is capable of doing. Chennai Super Kings will be expecting him to do the same in this game as well, and he will be looking to score more runs. His massive potential and his elegant stroke play makes him our fourth pick. Faf du Plessis. Faf du Plessis has been the highest run getter for Chennai Super Kings in this season. Over the last few games, he has not been as impactful with the bat as expected of him, but he will be looking to make the most out of this game to get some more runs to his name. He is a lightning quick fielder and he is thus the vice captain of R11 and also our fifth pick. Sunil Narayan. Sunil Narayan has not been at his best this season. We saw a glimpse of this man returning to form in the previous few games. He was striking the ball well and he is looking to bowl with good line and length while also containing some runs. His new role down the order could be the key to him returning back to form and this makes him our sixth pick. Sam Curran. Sam Curran has proved to be a very dependable all-rounder for Chennai Super Kings. Since he has started to open the batting, we have seen him get more runs to his name along with the 13 wickets that he has already picked up. He scored a crucial 50 in the other game to make sure that CSK gave a respectable total. He is a brilliant fielder and is an asset to the CSK squad, which makes him our captain and our seventh pick. Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja has proved his worth to the CSK squad this season time and time again. He has played a lot of crucial cameos down the order and his batting has been explosive with a strike rate of 162.90. Although he has not been as impactful with the ball, but him starting to turn the ball looks to be a good sign for CSK. He is also a live wire on the field, which makes him our 8th pick. Varun Chakravarti. The leggy Varun Chakravarti is very promising. He has become a key player for Kolkata Knight Riders this season with his spin bowling. He has been bowling well with an economy rate of just 7.18. He played brilliantly for the 5-wicket haul in the other game and in this game too, he will be looking to do the same and dismiss the big guns of the Chennai Super Kings batting. This makes him our 9th pick. Pat Cummins. The most expensive player of this year's IPL, Pat Cummins, is yet to prove his worth. Although we have seen glimpses of his massive potential, where he has scored a half century and has been bowling economically, what he has been lacking is in terms of consistency. He will be looking to bounce back to his best form where he can strike the odd ball a very long way and he can also be the bowling spearhead that KKR needs him to be. His potential of his grants him the 10th spot in R11. Deepak Chahar. Deepak Chahar has been the go-to bowler for Chennai Super Kings in the power play overs. Having the ability to swing the ball both the ways and pick up wickets while having an economy rate as low as just above 7 in the power play overs speaks volumes of this man's potential. He has already picked up 12 wickets this season and this thus makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who we believe have the potential to win the game for their respective sides by taking away the highest fantasy points. Who is your most valuable player? Let us know down below.